Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In today's quick guide, I'll show you step-by-step how to activate BBVA Key inside the BBVA app, updated for 2025. Let's jump right in. Step 1, open launching the BBVA mobile app on your phone. Make sure it's updated to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play. Step 2, log into your account. Use your username and password or biometric login, fingerprint or Face ID to sign in securely. Step 3, access settings. Once inside the app, tap on the menu icon or your profile image to open settings. Then look for security settings or BBVA Key, depending on your app version. Step 4, tap Activate BBVA Key. Now select the option that says Activate BBVA Key. The app may ask you to confirm your identity with a verification code sent to your registered phone number. Step 5, create your BBVA Key code. Choose a 6-digit security code you'll remember. This is your BBVA Key. You'll use it to validate future transactions. Step 6, confirm and save. Re-enter the code to confirm. Once accepted, you'll see a message saying, BBVA Key activated successfully. Important tip. Keep your BBVA Key private. Never share it with anyone. And if you change your phone or SIM card, you may need to reactivate it. That's it. Your BBVA Key is now active and ready to secure your banking operations. If this guide helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more banking tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.